The Eos High Voltage Knowledgebase is designed for electric utilities, design engineers, and contractors who use SAGE estimating. This video highlights several knowledge-base features. Quick Takeoff is a fast way to get a few database items into your estimates. By default, Quick Takeoff organizes items by division and phase. The Eos High Voltage Knowledgebase contains thousands of items for use in your estimates. Simply locate the item you want to take off, and double-click it to send it to the spreadsheet. Let's go to the spreadsheet and enter quantities for the items we took off. You can enter quantities directly in the Takeoff quantity column. Notice that installation is crew-based. To review the crew details, click the Detail icon. Next, we'll take off a few assemblies. An assembly is a collection of database items that are taken off together and collectively represent the total cost of a task or work segment. Let's switch to a spreadsheet sequence that includes assemblies before we do takeoff. The Eos High Voltage Knowledgebase contains over 100 assemblies organized into groups of related assemblies. The assembly groups are represented by yellow folders. Locate the assembly you want to take off and double-click it. Then enter values for the assembly variables. The assembly variables determine which items in the assembly are needed and the quantities for each. We'll click Add Pass to calculate quantities for all the assembly items and then send the assembly to the spreadsheet. If you want to see the items that make up the assemblies, simply expand the spreadsheet one level. Let's take off the ACSR transmission line wire by ampacity assembly. We'll take off 3 wires at 60,000 feet. Notice that the assembly automatically selects Drake wire 795 kcmil for 907 amps based on the value entered for wire ampacity. The Eos High Voltage Knowledgebase also includes a number of models. A model is a set of instructions for taking off everything for a work task. In Model Takeoff, you complete interview questions, similar to filling out an online survey. Based on your answers to the questions, SAGE estimating determines which items to place in the estimate. Select the model you want to take off and click Interview. Enter a model reference. This will identify the model on the spreadsheet. Models include graphics to help you visualize their purpose and use. Fill out the rest of the interview section. When you finish, click OK, close the interview, switch to the completed estimate model list, and click Generate to generate the model to the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet shows the overhead transmission line model we just took off. You can view the spreadsheet summarized to the model level or expanded a level to show the assemblies for each model. Models streamline the takeoff process by including a complete set of items and assemblies for a high voltage system. When you finish your estimate, use Sage Estimating's Bill of Materials report to quickly produce a bill of materials for your project. With items, crews, assemblies, and models designed for high-voltage applications, the Eos High Voltage Knowledgebase is perfect for electric utilities, design engineers, and contractors involved in electric transmission and distribution.